Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and I'm back with another video. This is a quick video. I just came back from Family Dollar and picked up a few things, some things for the house. All right, so what we got? An 8-pack of paper towels. This was $9. Got that. And got some water. I got distilled water for my facial steamer because you have to use distilled water. I don't know why, but okay, so I got that. And I'll be drinking it too. So got some more water. I was looking for the alkaline water. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. You know. Got Pine Sol. And what I get? Got my batteries for my cabinets. That's for the under the cabinet lights. Got some soap. And I got some personals in here. I'm not going to show that. And got some lemonade. Usually I would get the strawberry lemonade, but they were out. So they didn't have that. And lastly, for my guest bathroom, I just bought this 14-piece bathroom set. What's the receipt? Because I don't know how much it was. $15. Only $15. You get one bath mat, black and white shower curtain, and 12 shower hooks. So yeah, because I'm gonna do my guest bathroom in black and white. I already have a black and white shower curtain that I bought a few years back from Family Dollar, and I never got a chance to use it, but I don't know. I'm thinking I might go with this. You know, just something quick. So that is my Family Dollar haul. I do have my knobs from Amazon, so I want to share that. All right, so I guess we can call this a unboxing from Amazon. I'm going to open her up. Paper right there. Okay, so these are the knobs that I ordered. I think this is 12. I think it's 12 in here, which I know I only need 2. You know, I can always change them out. You know, okay, how cute is this? So here it is. Okay, they come in this little sack. That's cute. So I guess when you put them away, you just put them back in this little sack here. Okay, here they are, black and white with the silver. Open it up. Okay, so because you get, I think you get, yeah, you get different ones. Okay, those 2 are the same. Okay, these are the same too. I know which one I want to use. I want to use this one. That's the one I'm going to use. I'm going to keep her right there. Okay, so they're all different. This 1, 2 are like this. Okay. That one. This one's cute. All right. What's this one? These are cute. I'll link these in the description box. These are really cute. And they do have other patterns, different colors. I did see that. And these are really big, especially for my little drawer. Okay, so yeah, so we're going to go on. I already picked out the ones I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one. And I want it to be kind of different. So, okay. No. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use these two. Okay, I'm like, I got to unscrew this one that's on here. Remove these. I hope, oh, you know what? I hope they fit while I'm playing because this is skinny. I hope they fit because that's wide. Yep. Ooh, I hope they fit, y'all. This. Got 2 screws on here. I didn't even think about that. Because the screw part is okay, it fits. It fits. Let's get that on here. Gotta make sure it's secure too. I hope I'm putting it on right. Yeah. Okay, so we got that on there. Okay. Let me do this one. I like these. I like these. Yeah. Mm-hmm. These are gonna work. And if you have cabinets, you know, you put them on your cabinets, your dressers, you know, any type of anything that requires a knob, you can put it on. Okay. Okay. All right. So yeah, here it is. It looks good. Looks good. Let's get a close up. Okay. Let's get closer. Oh, this is really nice. Look. Yes, I really like it. So I will link the knobs and the server bar in the description box. So yeah, and look, I still have to, get the bottles of wine to go in there. I just haven't done it. I'll probably do it sometime tomorrow or Sunday. But that is it. That completes my Family Dollar haul. And I appreciate y'all for watching.